Oily skin is usually caused by factors that are beyond your control. The main causes are hereditary factors, hormonal factors, and humidity. Whatever the cause, it results in the sebaceous glands producing increased amounts of the skin oil called sebum. If this oil is allowed to build upon your skin, it will attract dirt and block pores, leading to the formation of blackheads and spots. This is why it is essential to keep oily skin scrupulously clean at all times. The most important thing to remember when cleansing oily skin is that it's done gently, regularly, and thoroughly. Try to cleanse your face in the morning and evening, and also at lunchtime if your skin is very oily. It will make your skin look and feel very much better. An antibacterial cleanser is ideal for oily skin as it will help prevent spots. Gently massage cleanser onto skin in circular motions and rinse it off with plenty of water. Use a toner with antibacterial properties as it will absorb excess oil. Choose a light oil-free moisturizer. Avoid ingredients such as isopropyl myristate and isopropyl palmitate in skincare products. These ingredients can clog pores and result in breakouts. Use facial masks containing tea tree or lotus extracts to balance oily skin and reduce excess oil production. Use toilet papers to remove excess oil. Oily skin is never a struggle as long as you look after it the right way. Remember, consistency in skincare routine goes a long way.